Hello, Danny. How you doing? This is Tim with Compix, and I just wanted to show you the issue that I emailed you about yesterday. So the customer is anxiously waiting for an update, and considering you didn't quite understand or were able to reproduce it, I went ahead and just, I'm taking this quick video to show you exactly what is happening. Okay, so this is the Persona system I'm using. It has a Matrox DSX LE2 card, and I've just taken the video out into this TV Logic monitor right here. And I'm looping the video through this monitor into the CRT so you could see what it looks like with a CRT monitor or a LCD. Now, I do not have any video going into it within the Persona application. If I go to Tools, Options, Video tab, and within here you could see Matrox DSX LE2 and reference sources internal, and use hardware mixer is disabled. So basically with everything set, I'll press OK. And the same issue appears on here. So first, note that I have the Edit Preview button selected. Now if I draw a box like this, since I just have the video out going into a monitor, no video input, I want a background. And let me go ahead and create some text. So I'll create some text on the screen, and to make a new line, I'll press Control Enter. And this is just all within a single text box, right? Okay, so I'm going to create 4 lines. And notice the font type is right here, it's Agency Now, but it really doesn't matter what font I choose. Some of them look fine on the output, other ones have the issue that I am having, customers having problems with. So if I adjust to the LCD monitor now, this is the issue that they're experiencing. Notice that with some text, it's off by a few pixels, like this H right here, or this G. It looks distorted. This is the issue that they're experiencing. And on the CRT monitor, you have the same thing with the G. It looks a little distorted, like this D right here. Zoom in here and just go through the different fonts. Like this font, you could see that there's an issue. With this font, there's a big issue. Look at the G. And with this font, there's an issue. And just when I go through them, you do notice the issue is very apparent. But with some of the fonts, it's okay. See, with this one, look at this looks pretty gross as it is. And basically, when you go through fonts like this, on the CRT monitor, it acts the same way as well. Like with this font right here, you see the F right there, it's cut off. Okay, so basically, the way to fix this is if you just have one text box, it looks like this. But if you create multiple text boxes, then the issue goes away. So if I create one, Enter to create a new text box, Enter, Enter, Enter. Okay, so now I have one text box, and I have individual ones below that. And if I look at them on the output monitor, this whole group of one text box, you have the distortion happening, kind of like with the D right here. But if you look below, all those individual lines, they look fine. So that is the issue that the customer is experiencing. And with the CRT monitor, this is the above text, that's one line, and this is the one below it. The one below it looks fine. This one looks completely off. So this is basically it. I hope you could urgently fix this. If not, they'll probably return the unit. Okay.